welcome to another video with me, your girl Drew Beauty. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I miss y'all too, so I'm gonna jump right into it and I'm gonna show you how to make curry shrimp. So alright, so there's my shrimp. I already cooked it, deveined it, shell it. So I'm gonna put this to the side because I'm not gonna add it to the pot right now. I'm gonna add all my sauce and I'll show you how to make my curry shrimp. In my pot here, I pour some water. It's already getting hot. I'm gonna add all my vegetable in. I'm gonna add my bell pepper, my green peppers, and my Scotch bonnet pepper or my habanero pepper. Then do some sweet onion, tomato, and garlic, minced garlic. I'm gonna mix this together. So now I'm just making the curry sauce, and this is how I make my curry sauce. And now I'm going to add all my powder seasoning on. I'm going to have my adobo. So I have enough extra seasoning in with salt, so I don't need any salt. I'm going to use my fish seasoning because I make it seafood. I'm going to make my fish seasoning here. Garlic powder, black pepper, and my Blue Mountain curry powder. I'm gonna mix it together. I'm going to let this boil for a minute and I come back and add the rest of my ingredients in. So let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, so we had it for 5 minutes. Now mixing. I'm going to add my coconut milk. Coconut milk, so coconut milk will make it a little bit more creamier. Add some butter. Now I'm gonna let this simmer down, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp in. So let's give it like 5 more minutes, and we're gonna start adding our shrimp. Alright, let's go and check on the sauce. The sauce is good, nice and thick. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp in. Shrimp. So I'm gonna let the shrimp soak in the sauce for about 3 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Here's the finishing dish for my curry shrimp. Very good.